So hi guys, today I'd like to show you a client that had severe case of melasma. So this would be her case. This is both of her cheek areas. This is the front. As you can see in the upper lip, there's severe melasma, in the forehead and on the other side. This is severe case of melasma for yellow skin. If you don't know if you're yellow skin, it's mostly the olive tone skin color. This is what she looks like 3 weeks after using the melasma kit. We just wanted to show you because a lot of you guys have been asking me, what is melasma? So the melasma is those deep spots. Again, it's not fully there yet, you know, but for 3 weeks to get this big of a difference, I mean, come on, with just the products, this is just unbelievable. So I do want to show you one more time what she looks like 3 weeks after using the melasma kit. This kit contains the bleach soap, bleach silver, bleach cream, and Chevalier with the, of course, 24-hour sunblock. As you can see, the results are amazing and really fast working, as you can see. If you are not sure if you have pigmentation or melasma, this is what melasma looks like. Okay, so I just wanted to create this video to really give you guys a heads up of what melasma looks like and how we treat it. Thank you and stay tuned.